If you wanted to open background apps on POCO F7 Pro, if you use 3 buttons for navigation, you need to press this square button that you may have on the left side or on the right side depending on the button order. So if you press it, you should be able to find all apps that are opened in the background. And you can, for example, swipe up, we need to swipe left or right in order to close it. And if you use gestures for system navigation instead, then in that case we need to swipe from the bottom of the screen and hold our finger in the middle for like a second, like this, maybe half a second. And now you should be able to do the same thing. So if you use the, let me actually go back and go to recents. If you use vertical style, then you need to swipe left or right to close the app. And if you use horizontal style, then you need to swipe up in order to close an app. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!